All right, now we're checking out Adidas, and they got a gold sign right here. What the hell? We're at Adidas outlet out in Camarillo, and last time they did make an error. I saved big, so we're going right to the back again. Oh, these crazy infinities right here. Let's see a price tag though, dang it. I've been seeing these Arukus on sale at quite a few places. Clearance is what, 50 off? 60% off. So 80 bucks, 60 off of that. Anything with the red tag, we're gonna get 60% off. So these are what, $80. These are the Fear of God basketball. Ultra Boost right here. It says excluded from promo. Bastards trying to mess with me. Yeah, but these say excluded from promo. Last time we came here, they were like significantly discounted. Yeah, but they're asking for $100. It was cheaper last time. Got these Adidas Harmonies. These look really comfy. I don't know if they're walking shoes or what. $110 for these. So probably about $50 or so. Is that a plate? Yeah, there's a plate on it. So it seems like it's a stability long distance racing shoe. Is that what that is? I don't know. Normally 180, 110. Just like $50. Got some Ultra Boost right here. 130, 60 off. How do I not know about these shoes? They have quite a few sizes. One of these Fear of God basketball shoes right here. These are size 9.5. The Mad Infinities right here, which I kind of do like, but it's in the wrong box, and there's also no price tag on the shoe. Then there's a Ultra Boost 5X right here, $150 for those. Got Campus right here, $70. Ooh, look at the material, some woven material. This is actually really freaking dope. The fact that it's only $70, you did get an extra 60% off, so it's probably like 30. Is that 30 something dollars? Holy crap. Is that really 28 bucks? That's crazy. They got one in this colorway. This is like tiny though, 90 bucks. These are specials. Is this a handball ones? Oh, excluded from promo. Excluded from promo, it looks like. Got some really good prices though. If you're an Adidas fan, definitely worth a stop. All right, see what they got in the aisles. Got some Samba 62, some OG Sambas it looks like. Price not bad at 70 bucks. Some Forums right here. Andy Racer Lows looks like. Oh, are these like shoes for like car racing and stuff? Oh crap. Got another one right here. I've never even seen these. I've only seen the Puma ones like those. Oh, so all the Especials or Speci, I don't know, how do you even say that? Spezials. Those are all handball ones? I didn't know that. And some of them are on sale depending on the colorway. Different sales prices. And they got Gazelles. More of these. Last one right here. Then they got way more Gazelles. $50 for most of these. That's not bad. $60 for the bottom ones, I guess. And then what we've been seeing lately, ton of generics. They still do got these right here, the Adios Pros right here. That color is so ugly, but that price though, $125, 60% off. That drops this price down to freaking $50. Dude. $50 for some super shoes. These retail for like $180, $200 or something like that. And they do have my size. I wonder if I should grab these. I hate this colorway though, but it's for running, so who cares? Who cares? It's about the best price for me. You know, they do have, this is a 10 or 10.5. This is a size 10. Is this the one? Yeah, I'm good. Is this the one where I tried the 10 and that didn't fit? I don't know. We got a couple size 10s. All right, we're checking out the women's section over here now, where they got these Arukus. They're getting rid of these like crazy, $80. Remember, you get the same deal right here. These are some 5X Ultra Boost. They go for $100, so $40 after the discount. All white Ultra Boost 1.0s right here, $100 excluded from discount. Some white ones, 5X Ultra Boost right here, $150. And those you do get that extra discount. See them in all kinds of sizes over here. These 1.0s seem to be selling better than the 5X right here. That's $150 as well. Ooh, got the Evo SLs right here. It is excluded from discount, 150. Not as much of a selection in the women's, but not too bad, not too bad. They got these Ultra Boost 125, 60 off. All right, I have to hit at least one more store before I head out, and I need to go pick up my kid from school in a bit, so cutting it a little short. This is where I've been a fan of, New Balance. This is a clearance store. And it looks like they got 40% off clearance items, as well as buy one, get one 50% off. This is the entire store right here. We're gonna go right to the men's, where we see all kinds of yellow tags. All the yellow tags are what you get 40% off of, as well as the clearance wall where you get 40% off everything with the yellow sticker on it, which is pretty much everything. And this is what I've been patiently waiting for. The Super Comp Elite V4s. These are going for 180. I think those Adidas ones are like kind of similar to these though. I just hate that colorway. God dang it. But yeah, 180, you get 40% off. So probably slightly above $100. These retail for I think 250. But I'm not seeing too many performance shoes over here. So I'm coming here to the women's section, see if they have any performance stuff here in the bigger sizes, but I guess not. 9.5. They do got these 1080 V14s right here, going for 130. We got the Rebels right here. The V4s, I think these are going for 110. You get 40 off. This one's going for 100, and they got this for 130. And then I have seen these here for quite some time. $70 for these 574s, get 40 off. They had these for 50 off a week or two ago. I'm pretty sure they'll bring that back to 50 off next week for Black Friday week. I don't know for sure, but I just have an inkling that's what's gonna happen. All right, back in the men's section. No luck with any performance shoes, or like really crazy prices. But look at this, 997s right here. They're going for 60 freaking dollars. You get another 40% off. These 990s, 200. 2002 Rs. These are going for 140. 997s right here. 2 bills for these bad boys. These have been the special right here, $100. And you get another 40% off. We've seen these down to 50. Got some 9060s right here, 130. 997s, $50 for these bad boys right here. That's hilarious. $50, another 40 off. It's a 9.5 dude. Got Levi 580s right here. Levi collab with New Balance. These go for what, 20? You get the box top too. We've seen these for months here. They have a 7.5. They have a size 4, so it looks like smaller size 6. Speaking of being here forever, these have been here forever. The Stray Cat 580s. These literally have been here for 8 months, maybe a year. $100 for those. They don't want to drop the price. Then in the smaller size, they got like 990s and stuff, 120. Size 6 right here, 998s. These are going for 80. All right, let's check out the aisles where we see a ton of yellow tags. Got some Tech Trails right here. Looks like some hiking shoes or trail running shoes. $70, 40 off. 1080 V14s. Ash foam Kajas. Another one right there. These are off at $60. Wow, 60, 40 off on top. 237s. These are both off at 60. 480s go for 50, 40 off on top. Another one right there. Third colorway off of 70. Fourth off of 70, and then another one right there. 1906s. Multiple colorways off of 110. Another one right there. Off of 110. Then 574s off of $70. We got 990s right here. $100, 40 off. Second colorway. This is 2 bills. 990s, $200, and then you get 40 off on top. Then a third colorway, this is a V6, and yeah, that's $220, and you get 40 off. And they have another entire row right here. There's a few more with yellow tags. Way bigger than the women's section. 9060s, 2 different colorways. T500s, T500 again. That's off of $80. Just realized they don't have the price on them, but yeah, $100. 40 off of those. 471s go for $100. 50s going for 50. 110 for these. This one has a tag on it. As well as, no, not this one. This is 110. And they got the Warps right here, 130. 515 sounds like some Levi's. These are off of 60. And then these bad boys, what are these? The 740s? And this off of 90 bucks. And they also have stuff excluded from the promo, as well as stuff that's buy one, get one 50% off. That's actually a really good price though. That's actually a really good price because these retail for like $2. They got a couple of those. And then yeah, they got a bunch of stuff. Buy one, get one 50 off. Back in the women's clearance section, they do have some fresh foam Moors right here. I think this is the colorway I have. 100 bucks. Do get them for 40% off, so $60. These retail for I think $165, and they're very similar to the Vomero Plus, so such a great bargain. At $570. Oh, these are 515s, right? 515, $60. This one's going for $90 right here. Fresh Foam Heroes. I think this is like their max cushion. What is it? Trail running shoe, I believe. Those will go for $70. If you need to get 2 inches taller, that's what, $60 by 2 inches. I mean, yeah, that's about 2 inches, right? Yeah, but almost 2 inches, not bad. As we know, guys are terrible at measuring, right? We always overestimate everything. I say like the dumbest things. But yeah, okay, got 515s right here, going for 60, 40 off. These are 70 right here, Fresh Foam Roabs. They're not here, 60 bucks. And I'm saying the price before the discount. These are going for 80. You guys can do the math. The one go for 80 right here. These are Fresh Foam Kajas, Fresh Foam 680s, Orishis, 880s right here, 1906s. Actually, I have a lot of yellow text compared to last time I came here. The Hero, V8 Gore-Tex. Because almost this is a higher aisle, 115 off of 60. These are 515s right here, are 60 bucks. 574s off of 60. 237s, 574s. 997s off of $60. Yeah, these 997s are off of 70 right here. 515s off of 60 bucks. Fresh Foam Orishis. I'm not a fan of the way these look. They look comfortable. Oh, that foam. That's off of 50 bucks. I think this is the last one. 515s off of 60 right here. Then they got a bunch of 1080s and stuff like that. Like this, I like this colorway right here. But yeah, buy one get one 50% off, which is not bad. Not bad because it is under retail, but just not the super discounted price I'm looking for. All right, that's New Balance clearance store in Camarillo. I'm gonna have to hit up some other stores because I gotta go pick up my kiddo. All the way out in Torrance, well, Harbor Gateway area. Christmas shopping definitely in effect. Look at this. Dang, there's a huge line. Going right to the men's sneakers over here, where we do got some Gazelles for $50 in a smaller size. The crazy colorway of the MB3s right here, 50 bucks, bigger size. There's some Uggs shoes. It's kind of interesting. Okay, 50 for those bad boys. Got some Giannis Immortalities right here, $53. That's crazy. They taxing like crazy for Nikes right now. What the hell, man? Get that out of here. Get that out of here, dude. Got some Chucks, 30 bucks. Shoe section is packed. Just not seeing much quality at this location, unfortunately. Moving over to the bigger section, size 11s. Got some Spider-Mans right here. Dawn issue 6s, $40 for these. Yeah, not much here at all. They got some Pegasus 60. Got some of those Hokas and stuff, but that's about it, man. That's really about it. And I'm learning you gotta check the kids section because look what they got here. These are women's. I think these are women's. Yeah, women's 7.5 Vaporfly Next percents. Right here, Vaporfly Next percent 3s, I believe. 115. The price is a little bit high, but it is $260 retail, so it's under 50% of the original price. And then do got like some Jason Tatum's right here, going for 50, but not seeing too much else. Do got a women's section over here. Going to the biggest sizes over here. Are they Zoom flies? Or are they Now these are the Vaporfly Next Percent. 3s or the 4s? I don't know. 3s or 4s, but 115. They are size 10. Men's 11.5. Women's. And I did try on some size 11.5. They didn't fit. They didn't fit. I do need to find a size 12, but we're seeing a lot of these apparently. Need to find a size 12 men's, 10.5. No, not really find them. What's this right here? Got something with boost going for 37. Got some of these trippy looking Gazelle bolts right here with 14 midsoles, 40 bucks. Infinity Run React Flyknits right here, 60 for these. Some of these indoor soccer shoes right here. What's the name of these? SL72OGs right here. Yeah, these bad boys go for 40. But to be honest, not much else. Not much else. Let's hit up some more stores, I guess. Finally sending my care package out. One of my boys got jacket, couple of jerseys, t-shirt, like a bunch of kids t-shirts. Like it's like a Lakers care package. I think this is all the stuff that I think I saved like $300-400 on all this stuff. I know that's crazy, but yeah, a bunch of stuff. Finally sending it to Oregon. Finally.